In the early 1900s, there was a thriving business situated at Whitecross, Guiseley, near Leeds in Yorkshire, at the premises now occupied by Farnell Land Rover car sales. The business was an engineering works called Walsh Clark Limited, Victoria Engineering Works, Guiseley, making ploughing engines and all types of smaller engines powered by oil and paraffin. Jack Halliday's grandfather, Harrison Halliday, with a partner called P. Firm, were both iron foundry moulders in premises adjoining Walsh Clark, so therefore made parts for their engines. They also made parts for J.B. Claber, Joshua Binns and James Harrison & Co. Jack Halliday has the full specifications of the Walsh Clark Victoria ploughing engine. Two of these unique ploughing engines are kept in working order at the Museum of East Anglian Life, Stowmarket. Jack was fortunate enough to be invited to attend a working weekend, where he was able to film and also drive the Victoria ploughing engine. More information can be found in Guiseley Library in the book Round and About Airborough, Volume 4 by Martin Rigg. The Victoria engine is unique because it can run for 5 days on a 60-gallon full tank of paraffin. The steel cable drum underneath the engine enables it to work in conjunction with another engine and pull the plough back and forth across the field. The large flywheel is used for threshing by attaching a belt to it. One of the Guiseley engines was feeling a little unwell, so a steam engine was brought in to take its place. A horse, presumably a Suffolk punch, with its handler, was also giving demonstrations. The museum also has a working watermill and numerous static exhibits. It's nice to know that these two Guiseley-built engines, though far from their birthplace, have found a secure home and are continuing to do the job they were made for.